Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a dad who loves getting things just right around the house without spending a fortune, you're always on the hunt for tools that actually make life easier. I'm not a contractor, but I do a lot of small projects, from fixing wobbly shelves to helping the kids build their latest creative ideas. Lately, I've been testing out something that's been quietly making my DIY game stronger, the Huepar Laser Level. For just $25, it's promising pro-level accuracy without the hassle. As a parent, I care about tools that are safe, intuitive, and something I can confidently hand over to my kids for weekend builds. This little device claims to deliver all that and more. So today, I'm diving into whether it really lives up to the hype and whether it's worth adding to your toolkit. Let's see how it handles real-life fatherhood fixes. Alright, so picture this. You're trying to hang a set of family photos in the living room, and you want them perfectly level. No crooked frames, no dad guilt from your spouse about the art gallery of chaos you've created. That's where the Huepar Laser Level comes in. I picked this little guy up for $25, and honestly, it's been a game changer for our household projects. It shoots out bright green laser lines, horizontal, vertical, even at 90-degree angles, which makes it super easy to get things lined up right. I've used it for hanging pictures, installing some new towel racks in the bathroom, and even helping my kid set up a little DIY shelf in his room for his action figures. It's self-leveling, which means once you set it down on a flat surface or trip it onto a tripod, it adjusts itself and gives you a perfectly straight line. For a dad who's not a professional but likes things done right, it's exactly what I needed: simple, effective, and doesn't require a construction degree to figure out. One of the first things I noticed is just how bright that green laser is. I've used red lasers before, and they're barely visible in a well-lit room, but this green one? Crystal clear, even during the day, with the curtains open. I set it up in the kitchen to help tile the backsplash, and it made aligning each row so much easier. No more guessing, no more measuring 50 times. I just set the laser, locked in the line, and followed it like a pro. My oldest helped me out. He thought it was like a lightsaber setup, and he was totally into it, which made the whole project feel more like family time than a chore. It's also got a 360-degree magnetic base, so you can stick it to metal surfaces, rotate it around, and get consistent lines all the way across a room. I used it with an old camera tripod I had lying around, and it snapped right on. That flexibility is huge when you're working solo and can't hold a tape measure and a level at the same time. Now, let's keep it real. There are a few quirks. The self-leveling feature is great, but it does get a little fussy if the surface isn't close to level already. I ran into this when trying to set it up in the bathroom. Tight space, not much room to adjust the tripod. The laser started blinking, meaning it couldn't quite settle, so I had to tweak the base manually. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to watch for if you're working in corners or odd spots. Another thing, the power button is a bit awkward. If the unit is in self-leveling mode, you can't just turn off with the button. You have to flip a little physical switch on the side to lock it back into standard mode first, then power down. That means more fiddling around, especially if you're stepping away from the project for a bit. And speaking of the base, the little magnetic platform that comes with it? Honestly, it's underwhelming. The magnets are pretty weak. I tried sticking it to a metal shelf, and it just sort of slipped. It doesn't hold like a stud finder or anything. So unless you've got a solid tripod or a good surface, you might want to get creative. One thing I really appreciate is how durable it feels for the price. I knocked it over once in the garage, totally my fault, while adjusting the tripod, and it clattered onto the concrete floor. I braced myself for cracks or misalignment, but nope. Still works like nothing happened. That kind of sturdiness gives you peace of mind when you're juggling tools, kids, and a weekend project. And despite some of the smaller gripes, it's accurate. I double-checked lines with an old bubble level I trust, and the laser was right on. For a dad doing home upgrades, that kind of reliability means fewer do-overs and less wasted materials. Plus, it runs on AA batteries, which is convenient. No hunting for a rare charger or worrying about battery life dropping mid-project. I've left it running for hours without issue, setting up trim in multiple rooms. It didn't die on me once. Another thing to keep in mind, this laser is not for outdoors. Even on a cloudy day, I tried using it in the backyard to help line up some fence posts, and the green beam was basically invisible. It's made for indoor use, and it shines brightest, pun intended, in that setting. In the garage with the door open and sunlight pouring in, I could still see it well enough to get the job done, but once you're fully outside, forget it. That's fine by me though. I mostly use it around the house, where lighting is controlled and the laser really pops. For those of us doing DIY around the home, it's more than capable. It's like having a pro tool without the pro price tag. And at $25, I don't feel bad recommending it to other dads who want to upgrade their toolbox without breaking the bank. All in all, I'm really happy with the Huepar Laser Level. It's not perfect, no tool is, but it's solid, easy to use, and makes a big difference in how precise your work turns out. I've used it for everything from hanging shelves to helping my daughter hang her first art exhibit in her bedroom. It's become one of those tools I didn't know I needed, but now I can't imagine doing projects without it. If you're the kind of dad who likes to fix things, build things, or just get stuff straight on the first try, this is a great little helper. Just have a tripod ready, maybe pick up a cheap magnetic bar from the hardware store to improve stability, and you'll be golden. For home use, absolutely worth it. If you're a dad who likes getting things just right, without the hassle, this laser level might be your new go-to. So don't stay in the dark, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build something awesome together, one straight line at a time.